Hello guys, what's up? Sorry I didn't upload yesterday. I forgot I had the channel yesterday. I know, weird, right? Well, anyway, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make this. It might not look like much, but here, let me show you a better angle. So this is actually a butterfly knife. See? Very cool. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make that. So first up is going to be one of the arms, which is, or I like to call them arms, which is this thing. So you'll need like one of these pieces. I need to take this apart in 1 second. There we go. And there you go. Okay. So these are the pieces you need. Simple, right? You just like lay them out so you can actually see them. Okay. So first you attach this onto here. So it's like, nope. Like there, I mean. Nope. Right there. There we go. So it's like free. It's on the exact edge. And then you take one of these pieces and then just attach it there. And then there's this part hanging out, so you put that right there. And you attach those together with that. Then you put the top parts on. And boom, there's one of the arms. Oh no, I put it on the wrong way. So it's actually supposed to be like this. There it is. So that's one of the parts. So put that aside. Now it's the next part. So it's basically just the same thing, except I didn't find the exact same pieces, so it might be a little different. So here it is. If you want, you can follow the same procedure from the last arm, or you can use this procedure. There we go. There's all the pieces. So, like last time, you take this piece, you do that. So it's hanging off. Oh, so it's hanging off, and then you take this piece right here, put that on right there. No wait, no. I messed up. So wait, so it's actually supposed to be like this. You put that there. I was correct. So you actually put this onto here, and then you attach this onto here, like that. And then you put that right there. Never fell down. See my face? I hope not. And then you attach this onto here. Like that. Alright, so there's the two arms. Now next is the body of the thing. So for the body, you need like I've been calling them the wrong names. No! These are supposed to be the handles, I mean. Such an idiot. Okay, whatever. So, these are all the pieces you need to make this work. And again, you can just make your own procedure because I try to rush through these projects to give to you guys. So, yeah, okay. So first up, you take this piece right here. You attach this right there. Okay, so it's like in the center. And you attach that there. Yeah, right there. Then you put that right there. You take this, move it there. Wait. I'm correct. Okay, so then. Okay, I'm correct. Wait, no, I'm not. Nope, 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 D, nope. That's not how you do it. How do you, oh yeah. Oh yeah, okay, just. Oh, okay, I was correct. Never mind. Ignore that. Can we get that out? No? Okay. So then you attach those there. So it's like this. Bottom view, top view. And then you attach this onto there. Attach that onto there. There we go. And then you attach the arms. Yeah. Done. And that is how you make a Lego butterfly knife. See? Just let me teach you just one basic trick. Okay. So you want to have it closed like this. You take one of the handles, you put it like that. You take one of the handles and flip it up there. If I can keep it there. I can't keep it, but so you put it like there. Then you do this. You move your hand away from the handle, make it hang over the edge, and then you catch it like that. Here's one more trick. So then you put it over here, like this, like that, and then you move it down there to like that position. Wait. Ah. 1 second. Yeah. So then you do the. So then like you move it over there. No, I missed that. Okay. Okay. So. Right. Okay. So when it's here, you do that. And then you let go, like that, and then you catch it, like that. See? And then you just put it together really fast. And it's the same procedure for closing it too. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I also have another one, like right there. See? But this one's kind of harder to make, so I showed you this one instead, because it's easier and more people have the pieces for it. Although this one is much more harder to make because you might not have the pieces, and also it's not very stable. Like that. See? It's not supposed to be like that. So, anyway. Hope you enjoyed. This is a long video right now.